Hey guys, I'm back, and for today, we are doing my math homework. Yay. Okay, so this is a live stream. So, if you are watching this right now, bully for you. Yes. So, let's put you guys right here. So,
Okay. Read.
The first question. Do you have pencil?
Do I have a pencil?
Pop, please, do you have a pen? I'll take a pen.
You'll take a pen?
Yes. Okay, thank you. So, read each question carefully. Write your answer on the line provided. Number 1 is classify the angle. So how we figure this one out is I'm going to have to turn you guys upside down. And so if there is an arrow like this, that would be obtuse. Then if it was an angle like this, it would be acute. T-E. Acute. Then if it were an angle like this, you would draw a box in the middle, and it would be a right angle. So, right angle. So how you figure this one out is look at all 3 of our designs, and which one does this fit? It will fit the obtuse one. Okay, so next question. This one is easy. So from what I taught you, it has to be a right angle because it has the box in between. And see? So you put J, or right angle. So J, then B. There it goes. Then classify the quadrilateral in as many ways as possible. So it looks like a rectangle. So we had a rectangle like this. And what could we classify it as? Well, it could be many things. All of these answers show rectangles, so it has to be a rectangle. I guess you could draw like a trapezoid in that. And it can definitely be a parallelogram. Actually, no, it cannot be, because that would have to be tilted. So it will have to be question A rectangle and a rhombus. Actually, I had a second thought. It could be D, a rectangle and a parallelogram. So, I think A is wrong. So, Pop just showed me some weird one. What's this?
Rhombi have rotational symmetry.
Okay. So it has to be D. And this is is easy. When does someone ever draw this, 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 this? It's a stop sign. Duh. So it has to be a octagon because it has 8 sides. So do the next equation. So this says, what is the measure of that angle? Since it's going halfway around, it has to be a 180. Because you were turning you. Okay. So, you jump. What? So you're right here, and you jump, and you would be backwards. That would be a 180. So, next problem. Use the figure below for questions 6 and 7. Identify the figure. So this has to be a triangular prism or a triangular pyramid. How you figure this one out is 1, 2, 3, and boop. So it's a pyramid. So, my little trick, which hopefully right. How many faces and edges and vertices does the figure have? So faces, 4. And edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has to be 6, I believe. So 4, 6. And it has 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has to be B. 4 faces, 6 edges, and 4 vertices. So, which triangle is scalene and obtuse? I don't know, but I am going to find it out based on what I'm seeing it today. I'm just going to say that. So, you had a choice between all of those. Which one would you say was scalene and obtuse? Yep, I got it right. Okay, so, but this would be a right triangle right here for G. So it couldn't have been that. I'm just going to draw along this line for a second. Okay, use the figure below for questions 9 through 11. Identify the figure. This has to be a cylinder. That's just easy. And then 10. How many faces does the figure have? Now how we figure this out is we look at the faces. So that would be 1, that would be 2. But you cannot count this part because it is circular. And there's no really dead point to it. Or at least so it has to be 2. H. How many vertices does the figure have? Now how we figure this one out is Joe, get away, Joe. Joe, I like you, but you are being way too personal with the camera right now, buddy. Joe, don't you do that, buddy. Daddy DP, you'll be videoed, and I know how much you hate to be videoed. Seriously, Joe. Okay, so I'm going to switch seats. It's right here. Even though I don't really have a seat here. Okay, so how you figure out this one is it's basically, oh my God. Joe! Just Joe! Pop, please. Okay, so how you figure this question out is it has no, points. So, the answer would this have to be A, 0. Then, number 12. A yield sign is a whatever that says. Oh, is an equilateral triangle. If one side measures 15 inches, what are the lengths of the other two sides? Now, how we figure this one out is I don't know. I'm not good at this. If you can comment down below what the answer to this would be, is so what is this? I will figure it out myself. Oh, equilateral. You see, I underlined that. That means the sides all have to be equal. So it will have to be D, 15 and 15. Booyah, 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 booyah. On to the next set of questions. Okay, so let us check our answers. So number 1 was B. We got that right. It was an obtuse angle. Next was a right angle. So we got it right. As you can see, draw that little box in. Look. Then the next one was C and D. I'm giving myself half credit. Oh no, she put D. So I'm giving myself 1.5 credit. So would that be like the same thing as half? I meant 75% out of 100. Yeah. Although I'm guessing she meant to cross out C. So I'm giving myself fully percent. So I got that right. Yes, guys. As you can see, she wrote D for a rectangle in parallelogram. Now this one was obvious, octagon, because it had 8 edges. Don't even know if that was an octagon or not. See, I was right for that. It would be a 180, because if you were standing right here and did this, it wouldn't be a full 360 when you're like going around. So, yeah. Okay. Then G, I was right. Then B, right, yes. Then J, right, yes. Then C, yes. Then H, yes. Then 0, yes. Then I got them all right. If you did enjoy this video today and would like to see more of my content, goodbye!